Is your company wasting endless hours of time and money developing your leaders and teams with lackluster participation and results? In today's future of work environment, development for your leaders and teams must be a top priority, with a focus on building trust, cohesion, and productivity. But in many workplaces, that's not what's happening. Based on our experience, we know that internal training teams and subject matter experts are being asked to build training programs, but are struggling with the know-how and design experience to develop and build training content for the adult learner that's engaging, measurable, and transferable back on the job. I'm Tara Powers, CEO of Powers Resource Center, and for the past 25 years, I've been building and delivering award-winning training programs for small businesses and Fortune 100 companies. In fact, we've facilitated over 3,500 training workshops that have impacted more than 35,000 people. So we know a thing or two about how to build and deliver training that is practical, effective, and immediately applicable in today's modern workplace. In our Level Up Training Masterclass, your training teams and subject matter experts will learn how to build transformative workshops by gaining access to our step-by-step custom workshop design process and tools. This includes how to perform a learning needs analysis, how to design highly relevant training activities and content, and how to incorporate measurement methods that prove return on investment, all which are focused on combating the forgetting curve and providing learners with resources they can immediately apply in their work. We also teach your trainers and subject matter experts rockstar facilitation methods so they can handle any learning situation that comes their way and create a learning environment that keeps learners highly engaged and motivated to apply their new skills and behaviors. Today, we're seeing more employees than ever before resign from their jobs, and there's not a moment to waste to ensure you're providing development opportunities that keep people engaged with and loyal to your company. Our class sizes are small to offer an intimate learning experience, as well as an opportunity to practice new training skills and receive coaching and feedback from our experts. Register today for our next program or book a call with us to discuss how we can save your training teams hundreds of hours by providing them with the tools and resources they need to build and deliver powerful training initiatives that deliver proven results.